Lesson 6. This is a singular demonstrative adjective used to indicate an object or a person near the speaker. For example, this is an apple, and this is a singular form. To change it to the plural form, we're going to use this, and then the verb is going to change by are. These are. We eliminate an and the noun we put it in singular. So in plural, so it's going to be these are apples. That is a singular demonstrative adjective used to indicate an object or a person that is far from the speaker. For example, that is an apple. This is in singular form. To change it to the plural form, we're going to put those. Those are apples. We make the same. We change is by are, we eliminate an, and the noun we put it in singular, in plural form. Lesson 7. Verbs in third person. The third person of a verb ends in s or es, except in questions and negative answers. We use the same rules like in plural nouns. For the pronouns I, we, you, and they, we're going to call them first person. The verbs are going to stay as the base form: walk, cook, run, go, and think. For the pronouns he, she, and it, we're going to call them third person, and the verb is going to change: walks, cooks, runs, goes, and thinks. Okay, the question form. All the verbs in English except the verb to be require an auxiliary to form questions, negative responses, and sentences. These auxiliaries are do and does. For the pronouns I, we, you, they, we're going to use do, and for the pronouns he, she, and it, we're going to use does. For example, they protect the country. This is first person, so we're going to add do at the beginning. Do they protect the country? And the question mark. Then, for the third person, Sam cooks food. We're going to put does at the beginning. We're going to eliminate the letter s, and we're going to add our question mark. So it's going to stay: does Sam cook food? The verb have. In Spanish, the verb have means tener. For the pronoun I, we, you, and they, we're going to use have. And for the pronouns he, she, and it, we're going to use has. Example: they have a new car. First person. In the third person, she has a big house. For the negative form, for the pronouns I, we, you, and they, we're going to use the negative don't plus have. Don't have. Example: they don't have a new car. For the pronouns he, she, and it, the third person, we're going to use doesn't and the verb have. And is going to be: she doesn't have a big house. Lesson 8. There is and there are. These phrases are used to talk about the existence of something. For the singular form, we're going to use there is. There is a big window. And for the plural form, we're going to change it by there are big windows. In this case, there is big windows, singular. Plural, there are big windows. For the negative form, there is going to be changed to there isn't. There isn't a window. For the plural form, there are is going to change to there aren't. There aren't windows.